When a pipeline reaches the end of its lifespan, it's taken out of service, safely and permanently. With the replacement of Enbridge's Line 3 pipeline in Canada now complete, we'll be taking the old Line 3 out of service through a process called decommissioning. Engaging with landowners, Indigenous communities, and all interested stakeholders is an important step in the decommissioning process. Gathering feedback and understanding their priorities helps us build a well-informed plan. As part of decommissioning, the pipeline is left in place to minimize potential effects on communities and the environment. However, we remain responsible for Line 3. The decommissioning process begins with the approval of the National Energy Board. Then, for the Canadian section of Line 3, we'll be taking the following steps. First, we empty the pipeline.
Back out a little bit.
Then, using tools commonly called pigs, we wipe the inside of the pipeline and flush it with cleaning solution. Third, we disconnect the line from our active facilities and seal it to prevent oil from re-entering the pipeline. Then we permanently close all valves. After that, we fill the pipeline under railway crossings with an engineered material where required. Up next, we cut and seal segments of the pipeline at strategic locations to further protect water resources. We then apply a low-level electrical current called cathodic protection to reduce corrosion. Finally, we continue to monitor the pipeline in a number of ways, such as right-of-way signage, depth of cover surveys, and one-call databases. By leaving a decommissioned pipeline in place, we avoid the major construction activity and ground disturbance to farmland, roadways, wetlands, and green spaces caused by excavation. And as the owner of the decommissioned pipeline, Enbridge remains responsible for its ongoing monitoring and maintenance.